Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a short video of a Transporter T6. We've done an audio upgrade and mainly a media upgrade. Maybe that's a KENWOOD DMX9724XDS. All this has all been fitted with ACV fitting kit as well, so all your steering wheel controls work. As you can see here, then this is the latest generation of KENWOOD unit. The really nice thing about this is it does the updates for the digital radio. You can see the ID of each preset that we've done. You can see there, tells you exactly what station and gives you the ID tag as well, which is really nice. It's a nice little option. This has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. That's wireless and wired. In this particular instance, we've got a USB port that's just here, standard USB port that's maintained, and it's connected to the KENWOOD unit. This has got several camera inputs as well, so you can have 4 camera inputs. If I press the home button here, you can have a camera come up on here if you wanted to. Just where this clock is, just that top button up there, you can just tap onto the camera, and if you've got a camera connected, it will go in, it displays there. If you've got multiple cameras, you can actually choose them via tapping on where you want to see the camera and where you fitted it. I'll put that back to compass. You've also got HDMI and an optical out on this unit as well, which is a really nice feature for the audio files. Anyway, if you'd like to have this done in your Transporter T6, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.